So this is just a showcase of how I have set up the Ranger in another Arch-based system. So let me just open it up. Here we can see there are some icons as well for documents, downloads, and other stuffs. I think the image preview is set as well. Yeah, the image preview is also there, and for example, okay, so the bat thing is working as well. If I press I, it will just enlarge it. Again, I do the thing. For example, I here. So that's a thing, and we have got some other things right here. So this is just an example of how you can. So we can see there are many icons as well. So you can further research and find out there are many other things that you can do with a simple to configure this simple Ranger browser file manager. So that is all. I just wanted to give another example of a Ranger configuration. Let me just change the wallpaper for example. So that was an example, and thank you for watching.